A U PRAH pada mana A U PRAH mana pada A U PRAH lama A U PRAH main A U PRAH Ramadan A U PRAH Nilai saja A U PRAH Fighting career A U PRAH A U PRAH. Yeah, hello everyone.
Very good morning,
Yes,
afternoon, good
people,
evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Because there is some, I'm getting some comment that people are watching from London,
From London.
but they are Khasi people. Yeah. So good morning, good evening, good night,
Good morning.
good afternoon. Okay.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Khasi people, Meghalaya people.
So
Currently, election is going on in Meghalaya. And you know, right? Our PRAH is trending because it is a political song dedicated for a party by the name VPP, which is the Voice of People Party.
Yeah.
So this the voice of the people. In Sudan, they call it. In Sudan, people are asking, you need the government to be
United
No, they want to choose their own
party.
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 How do you call this party? They didn't culture. Asal mo al-hakiminat do hukuma. Do kan muadmin admin.
Okay. Madaniya. Civilization.
You don't know anything. You don't know
Civilization.
civilization,
Yeah,
right?
Madaniya.
So they want the Khasi people they want to choose their own
Government
party,
all person
their
like
own government.
for him to rule.
That's why they made it Voice of People Party, Voice of the Citizen. Right?
Yeah.
So this song is trending by the title Jingiashad Ki Paitbah Mawlai. Yeah, guys, we are going to sing this song. And before everything, we are going to sing the original song, just 1 minute of our original song, guys.
Yeah.
Don't forget, guys, subscribe to our channel because we
Support
love you,
our
guys.
ministry.
Support us, show us some love.
Alright.
Let's start. We are going to sing first. Oh, yeah, we keep it here. We'll start singing, okay? 1, 2, 3. A U PRAH, kawan berkumpul. Kajian Indonesia, bagai jiwa, berkumpul sindrom. Berusaha ku hasilnya, kecil yunong iman. Kajian channel Gabs. Wait. 1, 2, 3. A U PRAH pada mana A U PRAH mana pada A U PRAH lama A U PRAH main A U PRAH Ramadan A U PRAH Nilai saja A U PRAH Fighting career A U PRAH Mike. Thank you. It's really so difficult. It's very to pronounce
the lyrics.
The Khasi language.
Yeah, the language, but we are enjoying it.
We enjoy it. We love it,
can
guys.
feel it. Definitely.
We can sing this if we put time like to read it and to listen to
to
it.
memorize it.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this part, guys.
Well.
Yeah, tell us how is it, guys. Don't make fun of us. We don't know Khasi
We are
language.
trying our best just to entertain you, to put smile on your faces,
Yeah,
right?
we need your support, guys.
Please support us.
Yeah, so let's just watch some part from the original video. Volume is there. Okay. Oh, it's connected to this one. It's connected. It's connected to Okay, is here playing now? Yeah.
can see the people that are protesting. This is what is
Not protesting, supporting. They are all VPP, mean they are all going to support. It's not protest, there is no protest. They coming to support. Voting, yeah. There is no protest going on. Yeah. See, they are happy because they all gather as a party. The citizens, they are going to support the VPP. Yeah, that guy, but he only belongs. He want to promote the Khasi. He want the Khasi to stand up. He don't want other religion or other people to because there also some people from other party like here in the state. So they are worrying if they will take the party. Yeah. You want the best. You want the best for the people. For the people, yeah. You want that. You say like this. Mensim Joma Opra. Badeng Bana Opra. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opra. Now they started. They really love it. They really love it. Me, I'm just guessing this party is going to win from the vibe. Actually, I don't know much about the politics of Meghalaya, but I just came to find out that many people, most of the citizens, they love the VPP.
The majority carries the voice, right or not?
Exactly. So definitely, we are wishing all the best.
It's all about the vote.
VPP is going to win.
VPP.
You will remember on the election. They will release the
result.
The result on 4th.
Also,
coming month, May.
Okay.
So just remember this one. We are already saying congrats to the VPP
in advance.
And
you guys will have our vote.
Yeah, you have our vote.
Yeah.
Okay, we already sent the vote from the heart.
Respect, love.
And we are standing with the people, guys.
If the people by the people.
By the people. If the people want to choose that, they are happy to be with that.
They have the right to choose.
Who are you
who to lead them, right?
Yeah, they are human beings. They want to be happy. They choose what makes them happy.
I hope this election will go in a peaceful way.
Yes.
I
hope after the result, nothing will go wrong again.
No tears. And I hope these people, they will never rig the election because
they will never manipulate.
Yeah, I understand. So, but wish you all the best, guys.
Wish you all the best. Congrats, VPP. Love from Africa. Subscribe, share this video.
Opra.
Opra. Rona, Opra. Kondeng kona, Opra. Badeng bana, Opra. Maina pana, Opra. Lameng dena,